Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung nagsinong-sinungaling, DNR o masungit. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test.
Aba, ayan na naman yung Idol Rafi Tulfo nyo. Atapang atao. Talaga lang ha.
Sana
At naghahamon pa ng lie detector test. Ito ba yung gusto nyong maging pangulo? Kasi itong mga tulponatics ay gusto nila 2028 maging pangulo itong si Rafi Tulfo. Pabor ba kayo? O ito ipagpatuloy natin. Ang ginawa niyang magaling bala. Magaling daw. Or magaling-galingan lang.
Or even
Panoorin
make a
natin.
phone call, tawagan niyo masungit. Would somebody call masungit? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung nagsinong-sinungaling, DNR o masungit. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling. Pwede bang paki-identify po, Madam Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binilugan? This was an event in Rizal.
Si Governor Inales.
They are stakeholders operating in Rizal, and they were invited by the governor of Rizal to do
To do what?
discuss a joint project with all the stakeholders.
Joint
of
projects.
Rizal. Yes.
Can the good sponsor tell us exactly who these two people are, their names, and then what their who they represent,
They are.
and what are the kind of business that they do, that they own?
They cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Quarry operator. Thank you. And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay, well, I'll identify the second one, Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi Gear Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Timsong Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture. Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila dyan sa Project Transform. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Ba't sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the governor of Rizal, stakeholders of in Rizal. Hindi ang nag-imbita sa kanila DNR.
Yes, di po ba? Dapat bilang secretary ng DNR, tinatanong niya, karapatan niya itanong kung sino-sino ang magdadalo sa isang pagtitipon.
But they canceled. You canceled.
Inside.
That's a DNR event, actually.
Inside.
So, ang DNR
Must cancel.
must have the call kung sinong imbitahan at sinong hindi. Hindi naman event yan ng governor eh. Event po yan ng DNR. So ang DNR dapat ang gumagawa ng guest list. Hindi po si governor. Kahit na halimbawa inibitahan ni governor, pero pwede naman tablahin ni DNR secretary. Sabihin, I don't want that two persons invited because may mga problema sila. Nasuspindi namin yung kanilang mga permits. And then I don't want to be mixed with those two individuals.
Rapid City company inside the Masungi Reserve was canceled in 2023 because
Thank you.
it's inside the protected area.
Tama po.
Italy, who is operating outside, is still operating.
Yun nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Now, siyempre, ang DNR may control doon sa guest list, doon sa mga taong imbitahan nila o hindi. Okay, sinasabi ng DNR, those two people were invited by the governor. Pero,
The governor of Rizal.
exactly. Pero sila pa rin may control kung sino ang papupuntahin nila o hindi, regardless kung invited the governor, because that's an event of the DNR, that's not an event.
My dear Senator, when the governor is inviting people, the DNR cannot stop the governor
No, but
That's the reality of life in the Philippines. Like for me, if I am in Las Piñas and the mayor of Las Piñas will invite people, I cannot say that, look, I don't like these people. You don't do that.
no, ma'am. Kasi kung ako po ang nasa sitwasyon dyan at ako po ang secretary ng DNR, ako po ang may call kung sino yung mga guest na papasok. Pwede ko pong harangin yung mga taong ay kung papasukin regardless kung yan ay kasama ni Governor. Siguro naman may mga PA siya o EA na magsasabi sa kanya, sorry po, Gov, wag muna natin siya isama kasi may problema po yan.
The governor cannot do that.
Well, I thought...
I mean, I'm a
po ba yung governor?
politician. You don't do that when you're governor.
Well, I'm also a politician, but
Yeah,
I have the right.
what's good is that the Rapid City was canceled because it's inside a protected area.
I know.
Little was not canceled because it's operating outside the protected area.
Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ulitin ko. At sasabihin ko dahilan kung bakit ko pinakita yung picture na yan. Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Project Transform. Now, before I proceed, nandyan ho ba si Gob? Si Governor Henares? Nandyan po siya? Okay. Exactly. So, bit-bit ni Governor. Pero, if I were the secretary, meron naman sigurong karapatan magsabi, Gob, pwede ba? Wag mo muna natin isama yung dalawa. Magkakaroon tayo ng picture taking at baka magkakaroon ng kulay out of delikadesa kasi may problema yan. Ayaw ko makahalo-bilo mga yan dito. Siguro naman si Governor magsasabi, of course, kasi event nyo ito, gagalangin ko yung request mo. I don't think the governor would say, no, hindi pwede, bisita ko to eh. I don't think the governor would say that.
Don't think the governor will say that, but
Exactly.
in his mind, he cannot say, like if you're a constituent in the province, you cannot say it directly to your constituent. Oo.
So that
Kahit
means,
na gusto niyan sabihin, hindi niya,
yes, so that means the governor has a say on environmental regulations.
not
But if it's-
necessarily.
Therefore, may karapatan ng DNR na tumanggi kung sino yung mga bisitang ayaw na papasukin niya sa event nila. Because that was a DNR event.
Istoryahe. Senador Rafi Tulfo, sa totoo lang ako, believe naman ako diyan sa mga pag-iimbestiga mo sa mga hindi magandang ginawa ng mga opisyal or kung sino man na nasa gobyerno. Pero simula noong sa PCSO, mukhang wala na akong tiwala sa tao na to. 'Di ba? Bigla lang tameme. Tapos diyan sa video na yan, ang sabi la, ang bastos mo talaga, Rafi Tulfo. Totoo ba? Ang hinahanap natin sa magiging leader, yung yung walang kinakatakutan. Hindi yung nagtapang-tapangan sa mga taong kaya lang niya. Pero kung alam niya na malaking isda yung makakaharap niya, tameme daw. Gaano katotoo yun? Senador Rafi Tulfo, akala mo makakalimutan namin yung sa PCSO o sa mga Tulfonatics? Baka alam nyo kung anong dahilan bakit mukhang tahimik ngayon tungkol sa PCSO. Malinis ba? Wala bang pandaraya ang nangyayari sa PCSO? Yun ang tanong ng karamihan pero wala pang masagot. Pero tapos na yung hearing. Anyari na doon. So, yung idol nyo ha. Kaya dito lang, thank you.